Let's get to business now with Emma Hatton. Hi, Emma. Unemployment rates lower than expected. Is that good news? What's the story?
Hi, Lisa. Yes, so unemployment rates, they fell to 4% in the last quarter, which was lower than expected. So that is good news. Driving that was the employment of women. So in the last quarter, 3,000 more women employed or went into the workforce than the quarter before. Māori rates of employment at a high as well. Rising wages up 3.6% on this time last year. So all good news. All good news there. However, job creation growth has slowed, so only 1,000 new jobs created in the last quarter. That's not enough. And so while headline, that might look like a good figure, there is still more work to be done in that labour market.
We're talking a lot about coronavirus and how it's toying with the markets. Are we starting to see evidence that is actually happening now?
Yes, I mean, we've been talking for a while now about what might happen, what investors are doing, what they're saying. We have now started to see some examples of what the coronavirus is doing to our local economy. So one telltale of that was the global dairy auction overnight, where prices fell sharply. So whole milk powder, which is obviously heavily relied on by local farmers for profit, that fell to 6.2%, a 6-month low. The average price for all dairy products fell to its lowest price since last September as well. So during the day, economists have had their say about what's happening. It is directly attributed to the coronavirus, but they do say it will likely be short-lived, a modest dent, and the dairy industry will be back on its feet pretty soon. Another example worth looking at is what's come out of Tourism Holdings Limited today. So that's the camper van rental and tourism company. You'd recognise them locally, those camper vans, Māui and Brits driving around the roads probably at the moment. They are a global company though, and they have indicated that their full year profit is likely to be quite a bit down on the year before. So it now expects a profit of around 24 million compared with last year's 29.8 million. And so a couple of examples there. Overall, economists are saying if that pressure from coronavirus keeps up for 1 or 2 months, the economy is going to be fine. We'll bounce back with no problems. But because no one knows how long this is going to last, it's anyone's guess as to what's going to happen to the local market and economy. So we'll be keeping an eye on that.
So where did we finish up today, Emma, in terms of the numbers?
So today, the NZX Top 50 Index closed up 0.8%. That's a rise of 92 points to close at 11,604. The New Zealand dollar is buying at 64.81 US cents, 96.2 to the Australian, and 49.8 British pence.
Thanks, Emma. That's Emma Hatton with all our business news joining us from our Wellington studio today.